Okay, welcome to the series of talks and meditation named Indonesian Nonduality. My name is Andreas Pasolimpia and I am very delighted to share with you about Indonesian Nonduality. The first topic in this YouTube video is Bhinneka Tunggal Ika. It's actually Indonesia main credo, main motto, Bhinneka Tunggal Ika. It's mean the difference manifestation, one reality. Different manifestation, one reality. From the superficial meaning, we could say that Indonesia have very multiplicity of ethnics and religions, but one country, Indonesia. This is very superficial meaning. When we look deeply, we can look at the intermediate meaning. The intermediate meaning is originally from Kitab Sutasoma, Kakawin Sutasoma. It is the original document with which this main motto is manifest. It is about the religion of Savaism, Indian Savaism, that is established at that time, and then come Buddhism. And Bhinneka Tunggal Ika pointed out that the essence of Savaism and the essence of Buddha nature is same. Yeah, it is the makers, the empu, the rishi, the sages that is make this motto to point out that is Buddha nature, the nature of Buddha Sasana or Buddhahood, and the nature of Shiva is same. It is the intermediate meaning. Now, I'm most enthusiastic to talk to you about the deepest meaning. The deepest meaning is, when we look deeply, we have many manifestations in reality. When we look outside, when we look at the fabrication, when we look at the manifestation, but when we look at its nature, in essence, it is one essence, clear like a sky, spontaneous, clear, empty, cognizant. It is our mind. When we look at the manifestation, the fabrication of our mind, it is very myriad of things expressed. But when we look deeply into our nature, it's empty. It's clarity. When we look the thinking mind, there is many manifestation of thinking. But when we look, who is the thinker? Who is the thinker of the thought? We can see that the thinker is empty. But there is awareness. There is cognizant. There is conscious, aware, but empty of things. No things. There is no things. No things but awareness. Clear like a sky. Cognizant, spontaneous presence. When we look also in external world, it is many phenomena. But when we zoom into the quantum field, it is empty. But empty, full of potentiality. It is full of potentiality. It's beautiful. So this is the meaning of Bhinneka Tunggal Ika. How we can apply this to our life? We can apply to our life like see the nature of things. See the mind have no basis, but there is awareness, clarity, but the basis is no thing. There is no substantiality, but there is awareness like a sky. The sky is exists, but it is empty. We can look deeply into our life, into our thinking, into our feeling. We can zoom into our feeling, our perception, sensation, consciousness. It's very beautiful actually. It's like a sky, clear. It's very beautiful. And yeah, we can enjoy our liberation, embodied our liberation. It doesn't mean that when we look deeply and empty, it doesn't mean that the feeling will disappear. It doesn't mean like that. The feeling might be disappear, might not disappear, but the very important thing is there is a freedom. For we realize there is no basis of actual essence, but there is awareness. So the essence is empty but aware. And it is very beautiful, experiential, and very rich in our experience. It is very beautiful, and it is our pleasure and it is an honor to share with you about Indonesian non-duality. May you become blissful, peace, and more understand, aware of the reality. Okay? Greetings from Bali, greeting from Indonesia, from Bali, and enjoy. Thank you very much and see you in the next series. Thank you. May the ultimate reality and peace always with you.